Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka Kot Admission nagamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course. Ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Yang isa, kalau logical ini, way breu short. Obviously, ni orang happen report. Hiru ni condemn kita kecil. Jono ni condemn. You ask security to provide. Ni aro IP provide security u. Kaya kan ni pan?
Let's talk like haras kena basis ni sab.
Like tane u kumne bang disha.
Ni apa tu?
Mudur sa.
Taruh nang ni berat steng lenti.
Hakit fight berat kena.
Hawan nak ketat sini
hawan ni ada. Jat beli mau in shop. In shop ngale ayu nga bakita ni nga apa kali.
Militas kata tidak luar tanah rendang ni. Tolong bangkitkan KPM.
Tolong ini sakit dalam
sementara kini jano kencok kini pan.
Jano kita ni nga. Kita ni une.
Tangapok kinit kenta bu President ka Nehu Students Union Samla Sandi Sotun Flasha Kem Haki Pulit Hakak project uyayong arajar pausan ki Samla Pule jangka Skulbah Nehu Laylum hakmat ka kerdop ka baar jangka Skulbah ban khanglar eki Pulit ki Rung hapo ka ni gajaka Pule ki Pulit belayalam da Magistrate Kilasha pakhang lenti hagi Samla Pule ki dawa bi ben mi no na phalau jangka Skulbah bala ongru bagi Pulit dagi phongot Rung hapo ka Skulbah klaim ka jing aju menjur jangka Pro Vice Chancellor ka Professor SM Sungo
What is the solution?
Our solution
From
is
our
that
side?
you guys, you leave our university, the station anywhere you want to station, but do not enter a university without prior permission and admission from the university administration only.
Okay. Please do that.
Which includes both the state police and the central police as well.
Sementara kini jano kencok kini pan.
Jano kita ni nga. Kita ni une.
Dan bakwa abala kerja kata pan.
So balik
Lain nak kata
Top yang isa, kalau logical ini. Way breu short. Obviously ni orang happen report. Hiru ni condemn kita kecil. Jono ni condemn. You ask security to provide. Ni aro IP provide security u. Kaya kan ni pan?
Let's talk like haras kena basis ni sab.
Like tane u kumne bang disha.
Ni apa tu?
Mudur sa.
Taruh nang ni berat steng lenti.
Hakit fight berat kena.
Hawan nak ketat sini
Hawan ni ada. Jat beli mau in shop. In shop ngale ayu nga bakita ni nga apa kali.
Militas kata tidak luar tanah rendang ni. Tolong bangkitkan KPM.
Tolong ini sakit dalam. Ini kompletan kau weh. Atau kalau logical ni lada yang way show FIR panwankan ni. Kalau logical ni.
It's a waste of resources. A waste of resources. Bila waste your petrol kepada serkar.
Kalau logical. Dah kau baca jangan orang long name berkumpul.
Tahu shua, permit saya gini mana?
Yang kata dia salah.
Find out nanti.
Ni mentang ikut prison order ni, permit lagi ni. For now kata.
Sin mak disperse kini police department dia sana cung IP sin mak disperse kini ngi ada disperse mengin. Ni nyempak mengin dia kami.
So it's better if you ask them because they take him, no? They might know the name because they take him. I think they have some names, no? Because because of intelligence, no? Let them use their intelligence.
Menu kita bawa has civil dress, balik stok give everybody sya, balik tanya ki hato fi baklatan yang yano fi baklatan. Bagi betul bagi intip
Are responsible for that.
Tu bahasa.
Whether they are from special branch or we do not know for intelligence, but we need to know why.
What was you reported in front of us?
That you can do, but as of now, just take out just disperse these police personnel from our campus. Then we will disperse our students.
We are communicating to diffuse the situation.
Please do it faster. It's very urgent.
How long so you will take
Look,
to
sir, our students are
communicate? So we cannot stay here a whole night. We can't stay here whole day. We can't stay here whole night.
ngi dan ha class baru sis ngi ngin pe ki pulit dan sabar kumno ki physical ki khna jongi ka mental health jongi ngin ong kumno ngi na ko ki class ki kan thai to sa kata ngi la shop baru sis ngi ma hang di hang la don hang di la don mesti pini ki pulit kena hang di ke again what is you believe you na the sort of happen but in the future also if this kind of situation arise please don't
We are trying to diffuse the situation. My only request is
Sisin mesti confirm gitu saya
verify student.